Oily hair, greasy hair, don't worry dude, I got you covered. Today I'm going over our top 8 tips for managing oily hair. This is gonna be quick things that you can implement into your routine, little differences that are gonna make a huge difference for your hair all around. Let's get into it. First off, we have focus on shampooing your scalp, not your hair. Remember, shampoo is for the scalp, conditioner is for those hair strands. Make sure you're getting in with your fingers, or if you wanna go even more in depth, grab a scalp massage brush like the one that we have, work it into your scalp. It's gonna exfoliate, get rid of that oil, that dirt buildup, and it's gonna make your hair feel less greasy. Next up, choose the right shampoo for your hair type. If you have super oily hair, you want to look for ingredients like peppermint oil, tea tree oil, might I say, all found in clean. But bottom line, you want to get something with those ingredients because they are super great at wicking away that excess oil that is in your hair. Now let's talk about styling products for super oily hair. Choose matte finish products. If you have oily hair, look for something like a texture powder, look for something like clay. These are both awesome matte finish products as opposed to pomade, something that has a super high shine level, which are better for super thick hair or dry hair. My next tip, stop touching your hair with your hands. I know you want to move it around. I know you want to do a little flip to the side, but forget it. Your hands have oils on them. Those oils are transmitting to your hair and it's weighing it down and making it even more oily. Now, when it comes to styling with your hair products, my next tip is don't overload your styling products. If you have a bunch of products in your hair, let's say you're using a cream and a putty and a sea salt spray and texture powder, it's just gonna weigh your hair down. It's gonna make it look like you have a bunch of products in there, which is exactly the opposite of what you want with thin hair. Sometimes a sea salt spray is all you need for thin or greasy hair to really help add that texture without weighing your hair down. Now, this next tip, this doesn't have to do with how you style your hair, it's more how you live your life, and this is wash your pillowcases more often, okay? Those pillowcases, they got the oil on them, it's transmitting to your hair, plus this is gonna be helpful for having perfect, flawless skin as well. Now, this tip might be counterintuitive, but it is to wash your hair less frequently. So if your hair is super oily and you're washing it multiple times a day, it's stripping your hair and your scalp of its essential oils, and it can cause it to produce even more than you want it to. So you want to find that sweet spot. I would say if you have oily hair, maybe 4 to 5 times a week, and let your scalp do its work. It's going to build those natural oils, which are good for your hair and not going to be over the top because you're shampooing every single day. Now, the last tip that I want to leave with you guys is give your hair time to adjust. If you've been shampooing every single day, multiple times a day, it might take a little bit of time for your hair to adjust to what it's working with. If you've never used product before, it might take it some time to adjust to a texture powder, to a clay, to a sea salt spray. So be patient, give your scalp time to adjust, and of course, let it work its magic. Those are some quick, easy tips for how you can manage oily hair. If you guys like them, let me know in the comments what tip you're using, if not all of them. And if you want to see more videos like this, let us know. We can do one for how to manage thick hair, curly hair, any other hairstyles that you want to see, let me know, and any other men's grooming products. Again, my name is Gabe with Pete and Pedro. We are on a mission to help you guys look and feel your best. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next Pete and Pedro video. Take it easy.